Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. I just wanted to give you this really quick scent pairing that I have tried and really like and actually plan on wearing today. It is kind of well, not kind of, it is an apple fragrance that I think is really good and a nice one for colder weather. So in the shower, I will either use the matching Winter Candy Apple body wash, or I actually still have some of the Champagne Honey and Apple from Bath and Body Works. Either one of those are really great to kind of start your layering journey in the shower. And then I moved to our Noir by Fifi Body Butter Ambrosia. Now, so Ambrosia has apple, mango, honeysuckle, vetiver, patchouli, and sandalwood. And so I'm just really continuing to stay in that, apple flow. And I like this one because it's not just apple, it's really well-rounded. The sandalwood kind of grounds the apple and makes it richer. And then I'll go in with Winter Candy Apple by Bath and Body Works. The fragrance notes for that are red apple, winter rose petals, candied orange, maple leaf, and fresh cinnamon. And so again, just rounding out kind of my apple vibe for today. And then I will top that off with Love Apple by Al-Rehab. Sorry if I'm butchering that. But this is an oil. It's super strong. If you don't like apple, I don't think that you'll like this. Fragrantica describes the main accords as fruity, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh, warm, spicy, green, powdery, musky, and sweet. And the notes are, the top note is green apple, the middle note is vanilla, cinnamon, and the base note is musk. So really love this combination. It is a great way for me to wear apple when it's cooler out. I live in Georgia, so we probably have a month of super cold and we're not quite there yet, but you definitely need, a hoodie or a light jacket. And so that apple in this kind of pairing and combination just really works. So if you love apple, try this out. I think you'll really like it. The oil you can get really cheap on Amazon and other places, under $10. You can buy our body butter on our site. The links are always listed below. And then Winter Candy Apple is at Bath and Body Works. They bring it back every year in the winter. So, and then even throughout the year, an outlet, you can always find Winter Candy Apple. So hope you guys like this another day. Check out our other videos that we have. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye.